your girl Natural Unique. I am back with another video. How you doing? If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button to right there below, and make sure you hit that notification button. Make sure you give this video a like. All right, today's video we will be talking about curlkit versus curlbox. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit about curlkit that I subscribe to, and I also subscribe to curlbox as well. So I'm gonna show you the difference between curlkit and curlbox. So the first box actually I'm gonna show you is this. This is the curlkit box that I've gotten from them. They send it every month. Their subscription, I think, rate is like $25 every month. They'll take it out. I think on the 12th they take it out, and then after that they ship it out. I think the exact same thing, if I'm not mistaken. And this is Curlbox. Ooh, sorry for the little mess thing, but yeah. So this is Curlbox right here, this big old beautiful box, you know. So these are good boxes. I mean, this one is a little bit smaller. This is a little bit smaller compared to the Curlbox. So I'm gonna tell you the difference. So I'm gonna show you what's inside what they sent me. We're gonna start with the curlkit here. And then this is what they had sent me from curlkit. These little sample products right here. I have a lot of curlkit products, as you can see. So they send me the Jamaican black castor oil. They sent me this one right here. Can you guys see it? It looks like it's a little bright. Oh my gosh, terrible. But yeah, they sent me this product right here. And then we got moisturizer spritz over here. And then they give us this Sunny Isle Jamaican black castor oil. Ooh, ooh. Okay. So, and then the Jamaican black castor oil pure butter lavender right here. This smells so good. I haven't even used none of the products, but I opened them, so you already know. And then they'll also give me a smoothing edge glue for your edges. You slay the edges. Slay, honey. Let me stop. So curlkit gives you 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 products, but they're not the same. Like each product, like this is from Sunny Isle. This product can be from different, different names. Well, not different names, but each product is different. Like this is Cream of Nature, of course. They add a little different company products in there, which is okay. I like curlkit in a way or whatever, because they give me oils, they give me what I need for my hair. And they're like really small. They're not as like, they're not big, but they are small products. So it's worth it. And the minimum, usually they'll give you 4 or either 5 or sometimes 6, depending on it. So that's the curlkit box, which is $25 every month. The shipping, well, it's $20 for the box, and then it's $5 for the shipping. So if you're interested in that, you know, and you want to have little samples of products and stuff like that with different company names, Cream of Nature, it could be a lot of body that could be in there, Jamaican castor oil, anything like that. If you're interested, you could go with them. And sometimes they'll give you like the whole brand products, like they'll just give you a whole Cream of Nature product. It depends on it, and sometimes it'll be small. The first product that I got was coconut pure. Is it coconut? No, sorry, coconut restore. Coconut restore was so good. I loved it. That product works wonder in my hair, because it's better to get these type of boxes, because when you go to the store or Beauty Sally or whatever like that, products becomes very expensive. So I think that it's really, you know, worth it to sign up with these brands or company, curlkit and curlbox. So the next one I'm going to show you is curlbox. this is Curlbox with this little nice little packaging and things like that. I ripped it. I am so sorry because I wanted, when I had got this product, this box, like I really loved it. So yeah, so let's open and see what's inside of this beauty. Okay, first, this is how it looks like. Oh God. Okay, they're gonna package like this. Oh, this is heavy. This is a heavy product. So you're gonna get this in there, right? With the little tag that says Curlbox. And it tells you everything about this product. What's inside, what it's to use for, everything. So this is not bad. Then let's open. So, and this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they give you 5 products. 5 full-size products. So this is Aunt Jackie's product. Do you not see the full size of this product? Imagine like you're going to the store or Target or wherever you're going and you're trying to buy this one product and it's like $15, $20. Man, let me continue. So this is the full size product. This is a good size. This should last you I don't know how many months, okay? And this is the grape seed style and shine seed rescued thirst quenching recovery conditioner. I think this is a conditioner. And this is a refreshing sheen mist right here. And then you also got the glossy curly gel. Look at this size. Like, look at this size. Are you serious? This is a good size. Like, that's product number 3. Then you get this intense moisture clarifying shampoo. So look at this. A good size, right? Okay, that is product number 4. Oh my God, this one is about to fall. And last product, you get the frizz, the setting mousse. This is what you actually get from Curlbox. Curlbox gives you full-size products. Full-size product that you get, which is like, you get 5 or 6 or 7, depending if they can fit it on this Curlbox. So that's how much product you get. And it's the same amount with the curl kit. The pricing is the same amount. It's $20 for the full set product. You get it every month. And on top of that, it's $5 for the shipping. So basically you're spending $25 a month to get them. Which one I would prefer is really tough. I would prefer the Curlbox because I get full size products. And you get some oils in there too as well. So you get the same brand. Like if it's like the next month I get curlkit, Lotta Body, for example, I get the full size of Lotta Body. Then I get that. Then the next following month, I get Miel. Is it Miel? Miel? Excuse me for pronouncing that wrong. I don't know if it's Miel, either one. Let's say if I get that, then yeah, I get the whole product of that. So I would prefer the Curlbox because I get full size product. As to Curlkit, you don't get like the full size products. Sometimes they'll give it to you, but you're not gonna get it often. You're not gonna get it often. So I would prefer Curlkit, but Curlbox, sorry. But Curlkit, you get the little samples of products, you get a little oils in there, you get some certain things that you're not gonna get from Curlbox, but then if you wanna choose both of them, you can also do that as well, you know? So if you want to choose both of them, you can stick with both. I have like a lot of boxes that stack in the corner that I haven't even touched yet, which is ridiculous. But I use the oils. But yeah, the oils are on the bomb. If it's Jamaican castor oil, of course you already know I am on that. But anyways, so that's the difference between Curlkit and Curlbox. You choose what you like the most. Curlkit gives you a little bit of samples from different brands, Cream of Nature, Lotta Body, you know, all of these little brands that you probably heard or probably haven't heard. They'll give you a little sampling, but I don't like it like that because I prefer to just give me the whole company samples, and then after that, not even samples, product, And then after that, I started with the next one. Instead of like having different, I don't want that. I want my hair to have that whole set. You know, the lotion, I said the lotion, the shampoo, the conditioner, all that good stuff. But yeah, so that's what curlkit, well, that's the difference between curlkit and Curlbox products, which I also have another one, a curlkit box over here. Same thing. It's different, so I even got, I give you a little template which you can just read what you know about the products. Curls, cashmere, caviar. You guys probably heard of it. They gave me that. They gave me 4 size. That's just from Curlkit. Curlkit, yep. The same. Only one thing is different is this one, which is the black. I already have this from another product. I already have this already from the other box. And then I also got the mask. So sometimes they'll give you the whole set of the products from the companies. They'll give you that, and sometimes they're not. So that's the difference between the Curlkit and Curlbox. I like the Curlbox because, like I said, they just give me the whole set of everything instead of giving me a whole samples of little stuff. Sometimes you get little samples from the Curlkit, and sometimes it doesn't work. You don't like it. But yeah, so that's the difference between Curlkit and Curlbox. I'm gonna leave a link below. You can also follow them on Instagram. So I'm gonna leave the subscription down below so you can click on their Instagram so you can follow them. You know, go to their link and then see if you like which one you can compare or whatever. So that's the products that they give you. New products every month, not the same products. You probably get the same oil that you already tried already. So if you like this Curlkit, Curlbox, go get your hands on these little beautiful babies. Try them out, you know, and let me know what you think. But that's all I had to say about these products, these company, Curlkit and Curlbox. So if you like this video, you guys, thank you for watching, and please give this video a like and make sure you subscribe over here. Just subscribe and press that little button for me and support your sister. Okay, I want you to support me. Thank you. And I hope I'll see you another time. And make sure you press that notification bell, because some of y'all don't be pressing the notification. I'm gonna be on y'all about this notification bell. All right, so I'll see you another time. Bye.